Best of luck. I will maneuver. And maneuver. Your turn.
Okay. Maneuver, drawing 2.
Oh, you gotta put one back before.
Oh yeah, that's true.
It doesn't have to be one of these, just anything.
Yeah. Return to deck, bottom. Then let's do it again. Return this one to the bottom. And then where do I go? Let's just stay here. Okay.
Okay, my turn. I'll maneuver. And maneuver.
Oh, yeah.
I will
It's been a while.
I'll discard these two.
Okay. Look, you discarded defense. Okay, so I have to go in. I forgot about that. Maneuver boost is Okay, let's maneuver. Let's just party wagon. Okay. Your turn.
Maneuver. Attack.
I'll take one.
Your turn.
I'll attack.
Insight.
Okay.
So I'll just roll a d6 for mine.
Yep. 4, 5, 6 are rerolls.
Oh yeah, sure, that works too.
Oh, I mean 1, 2, 3.
I was gonna do like 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5, 6.
Makes sense.
So
Okay.
3, 4. I get punch back. And second action.
Yep. I just keep YOLOing at you. I'll maneuver. Where do I attack? Let's maneuver. Yeah, it's okay. Right?
You good there?
Yeah.
Alpine? You're gonna Alpine back Insight?
Okay.
Draw 2. And then I'll attack.
Okay.
Take 1, draw 1, random discard. So we got 6 cards in hand.
Okay.
Number 1, this one.
Oh, unfortunate.
Nice. Your turn.
Let's play Donnie Machines. Get back quick strike.
Okay.
Then I'll draw it. I'll attack.
Block high.
Okay. You go.
I'll attack you. Alright, so that's it. You take 4, I take 1, you draw 1.
Okay.
And then I'll move. Your turn. Sure. Let's go there.
Okay.
Your turn.
Let's maneuver. Let's send a card to the bottom. Metalhead attacks. Yeah, 1 damage. Go.
Attack Metalhead. Alright.
Draw from bottom to table face up. Okay.
So you win combat. Then I will maneuver. And here you go.
Let's maneuver. Drawing 2. Turns to the bottom. Okay, Metalhead attacks.
I take 2. I go 1, 2. Man, I can't reach it. Yeah, sure, we'll do that.
What card to... Let's do Donnie Death Machines.
No?
Turn to the bottom. Okay.
My turn. Let's maneuver. Alright, good. And maneuver. Let's do that. Your turn.
Let's play Party Wagon. Then Metalhead attacks.
It's just move a friendly fighter. You can't move both.
Oh no, oh yeah, sorry.
No, you're good.
Metalhead attacks.
How much am I taking?
Draw from bottom.
Alright, so I take 5. Then I get to look at the top 3 cards of your deck. See, let's put this one. We'll draw that one last. And this one. And this one.
Okay.
Alright. First action. Let me attack Metalhead.
Let's go. I'll take it.
He's dead.
Okay.
Then I'll Alpine Fortress. I'll get back the. Cancel 5. I think 5 is more flexible here. We'll get cancel. We'll bring back the 5.
Okay.
Shuffle. Draw 2. Your turn.
Okay. Maneuver. You want to maneuver range. That mean... I'll attack.
Turn to top. Turn to top. Draw this one.
Okay. Okay. You go.
Attack. Right, first you take 2.
Then I will remove, how many is this? 4?
Yep.
I guess this is fine.
Alright, you go 4.
Okay.
D6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, so this one. Okay.
Okay, one more.
And I'll maneuver. Your turn.
Maneuver. Let's boost. I'll attack.
4.
Okay, 1. I'll return party wagon.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be it.
If I can get there.
Need
Yeah.
to find lethal before then. Attack. Take 1. Or no, take 9 actually. You get plus 1 defense.
Oh, okay. I actually can push you off my zone. Huh. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
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 Then second action maneuver. Your turn.
I'll maneuver. Okay. I'll play smoke bomb. Again, 4 actions. Okay.
That's just game, right?
I'm not sure if it's in. I think. Let's see. So 4 actions. I'll just use the Metalhead dude. Maneuver.
3 actions.
Maneuver.
2 actions.
Okay, I don't think I get it. Yeah. The mat was doing a thing. Okay. Then maneuver. Okay, I think I could have actually just comboed you there.
That's what I thought you were gonna do.
Well, tunnel vision done the thing. Go ahead. Okay.
Alright. Arrive. Attack. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't have a win con here. I'm just gonna arrive
Okay.
again.
GG.
Your turn.
Oh yeah. Oh no, you arrived then you attacked. So.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't gain
Yeah, it's
action.
okay. I'll just do this then.
Yeah.
That's the party wagons. The next one. Okay.
Yeah. No. And no skirmishes the whole game. Oh
It's
my
like
god.
when you postured here, it's like, what the hell does that mean? Like it was, yeah.
The
Then yeah,
posture there was to fake like I had something, because then you're like, ooh, I'm at low hand count. I don't want to
yeah,
approach
yeah,
golden bat right now.
makes sense.
It was a fake out. That was the point.
If you'd like to support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee or my Pixel by ePlayment pages down below. And if you like the content you just saw, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.